Hello guys! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito po ang aking reading para sa mga Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Paalala lang, this is general love reading. So pwede kang hindi makarelate dito sa mga messages na sasabihin ko. Pero kung makaka-relate ka, kunin mo yung mga advices for you na tingin mo ay makakatulong sa'yo, and also yung messages kung saan ka lang nakaka-relate. Kung hindi ka naman makaresonate, check mo yung inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Okay? So, let's start. Pwedeng magkapalit-palit ang sitwasyon dito. Nasasabihin ko, bahala ka na maglagay ng sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Magsasabi din ako ng mga zodiac sign, pero kung hindi ko nabanggit yung zodiac sign ng person mo, maaaring parte lang ng natal chart niya yung nabanggit ko. So, wag kang mag-base doon sa zodiac sign, okay? So, we have here 10 of Wands. This is your main energy. So, I feel like for some of you, sobrang bigat ng pakiramdam mo ngayon. Sobrang nahihirapan ka. You feel like ikaw na lang ng ikaw yung nagbibigay. And you feel like parang sobrang burden and sobrang hirap nito sa'yo. Kasi for some of you, nagkakaroon ng problems with regards to family issues right here. Maaaring yung love life nyo ngayon, medyo nagkakaroon ng problema, especially with a third party relationship. For some of you, meron kasi ditong naghihinala, and for what I can see, yung hinala mo totoo dahil meron with the 7 of Swords, meron talaga at saka itinatago ito. And with the worth waiting for, maaaring ikaw ito na nagkakaroon ng third party relationship. Pwede rin namang hindi Pero for what I can see here, etong kung sino itong may ka-third party relationship, siya yung naghihintay. I feel like, or ikaw itong naghihintay dito sa person mo dahil pwedeng may distance here. For what I can see here, pwedeng may distance sa inyong dalawa. And parang you're waiting for this person to come back home or bumalik sa'yo. Ganyan. Kaya lang you're thinking and thinking and thinking kung anong dapat mong gawin. And for what I can see here, parang walang pakialam yung person mo, especially if you are giving into this relationship, ibinibigay mo yung lahat, yung effort mo, but then hindi ka nasusuklian ng tama. And for now, for what I can see here, maaaring ikaw yung, to make this relationship work. There's a marriage here for some of you with the Justice, also Libra energy, with the 9 of Swords and Page of Swords, possible. Also 7 of Swords, possible ang Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and with the 3 of Wands and 10 of Wands, possible ang Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay? So, and also Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy with the 7 of Cups. Okay, kung hindi ko nabanggit yung person mo, maaaring parte lang nung natal chart niya nabanggit ko. So, wag ka talaga dun mag-base. Okay, for what I can see here, there are union of hearts. So, meron ditong pagkikita or pagsasama or reconciliation, or kung wala man ay connection. Okay? And I feel like with the take chance on love, for some of you, I feel like you really need to concentrate on yourself. Mag-concentrate ka sa sarili mo. Don't think about this person. Kasi I feel like this person is not thinking of you. But then, nag-iisip ka na nag-iisip sa kanya. There are nights and sleepless nights. Hindi ka makatulog kasi maaaring sobrang bigat nitong emotion na nafe-feel mo dito sa person mo. Lalo na kung bigay ka ng bigay sa kanya. For some of you, even material things ibinibigay mo. And then you're thinking na kung mahal ka ba niya. Pero ang nakikita ko dito, with the Page of Swords, 3 of Wands, and 7 of Swords, maaaring meron siyang itinatago sa'yo, nililihim, or there's this feeling na pag nalaman mo ay willing siyang labanan ka, or itong other person involved dito ay willing lumaban para sa relationship nilang dalawa. So, with the karma right here, for some of you, you might be dealing with your karma or your karmic partner. So, ayun nga, medyo mahirap ito para sa'yo kasi nagmahal ka and nandito yung emotion na ibinigay mo yung lahat. I feel like with the 7 of Cups, maaaring mas inisip mo na nga siya kaysa sa sarili mo. But then, pwedeng may children involved and a marriage certificate. I see marriage certificate. So, pwedeng married ka with this person. But although there are marriage, medyo mahirap talaga, lalo na kung lalong nag-grow yung emotion. I see a growth kasi dito with the other person involved. So, kung sino yung may ka-third party, ay unti-unti yung nag-grow yung emotion nila sa isa't isa, or yung I see a lot of with the union of hearts, maaaring sila ito nakita ng kita, or sila itong nagkakaroon ng date with the get to know each other more on this December 2020. Maaaring yun yung nangyayari sa kanila dito sa person mo, or kung ikaw itong may ka third party relationship, pwede kasing ikaw eh. And for what I can see here, yun nga, mas nagdi-deeper yung level ng commitment mo with the other person. So, kukuha na ako ng advice for you. Bale, iba-ibang Aquarius yung nakita ko dito. Pwedeng ikaw yung may pero for what I can see here, kung sino yung legal, unti-unti nang nagigising. What do we have here for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Aquarius, please. What do we have here for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign? Hindi ko po ito kukunin. Ito, kukunin ko to. Advice, please, for December 2020. Okay, thank you. It says here, true love. This is romance of a lifetime. Possible twin flame and soulmate connection here. With the romantic feelings, your feelings are real and worth exploring. And with the healing family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. For some of you, I feel like you're in your karma right now. And kung ano man yung mga pagkakamali mo, especially if you have this medyo parang distance with your parents, I feel like they badly need you now. And you need to pray for them and ayusin yung relationship mo sa kanila. Okay? For some of you kasi maaaring this is your karma na nangyayari sa iyo ngayon. So you have to pray, and also kumbaga hindi pa naman huli ang lahat. Punan mo yung mga pagkakamali dito. For some of you, there's this love. I see two loves here. Yeah, so possible na ikaw itong may ka third party relationship. But then, for what I can see here, alam mo, there's this choice. Kung ikaw itong may ka third party relationship, there's this choice actually. Would you choose someone who is mature enough, or etong medyo immature pa dito sa relationship? No, so there's a choice for you. Kasi maaaring you're currently in a relationship which is an immature one. And hindi nagiging okay dahil maaaring ibinibigay mo yung lahat pero hindi ka naman willing saluhin ng buong buo. Okay, so malalaman mo yan kung ano yung dapat mong piliing choices dyan sa dalawang yan. Kung sino yung nagpapakita ng maturity, dahil yun ang mas magbibigay sa'yo ng totoong pagmamahal. Okay? And for those of you naman na currently yung person mo yung nagloloko, I see this as your karma. I'm sorry. So you have to fix the problem kung saan ka may pagkakamali, especially kung may parents involved dito. Kasi may sinasabi nga nila na hindi ka bibigyan ng magandang buhay sa mundo kung hindi maganda yung relasyon mo sa magulang mo. So that's it for now, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. I hope naka-resonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, and maraming salamat po.